Is your Miata making water noises? Does it sound like you carrying a fish tank in your trunk? If so, stay tuned. I will show you how to fix that using a clothes hanger. A metal clothes hanger that's been bent into a special tool. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is loosen your top. You don't have to, but you can. That gives you a little bit extra movement while messing around back there. And then get inside your Miata, because they got so much room, and pull your carpet up right here. Now, I don't know if you can see this one. That little hole right there is your drain plug. Take your metal special tool that you just made, and put it in the hole. Let me set this down. Now, once you get it in the hole, work it up and down, just like you would if it was natural. So let me put this, and then as you can see, guys, we kind of lost a lot of water. Right here is a clothes rack, and it's clean now. I didn't get it all on film, but there's quite a bit come out, and quite a bit of stuff like this don't need to be in it. So let's go ahead and pull a clothes rack back. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this short how-to video on draining your convertible top drains on your Miata. Hopefully that fixed your flushing sound. Now if you have been into your trunk and have removed your you know, sound insulation and stuff, you could hear your gas tank flushing if it's extremely low. So don't get it confused with water flushing. But it's always best to check all your drains on your Miata, because you don't want no rust. This car is pretty much rust free, and we want to keep it that way. Hard to find a Miata that's pretty well as solid as this one. They out there, but have you seen most of them that's being built? They have a lot of rust, and because of that, now this Miata is kind of low miles, so that has a lot to do with it too. It's set forever, and it was undercoated when it was first bought. Very well took care of with a car. Does show its age due to the convertible top. Now if you like this video, show your support by subscribing to my channel. Check out the playlist on this little Miata, and check out my other videos. And until the next video, I'll see you then. Take care and have a nice day.